I appreciate it. Anybody want a shout out? What's your name, ma'am? Can you please speak louder? Because as far as I remember, there's a lot of cars, so I can't hear anything. Your name is what? Noura. Rula. And you? Zuhair. Alright. Having fun here? That's what I'm talking about. And you, sister, with a Supreme shirt? What's your name? Jadida? What? Oh. Shahida. And you, my man? Jammer. Alright, let's jam with Jammer tonight. Okay, please, everyone, gotta move aside. They're gonna move back. They're gonna park the car right here. So please, I'd like to request everybody to please move aside a little bit. If you're taking a photo with Popeye, all right, on the side, thank you. Appreciate it. Yuya, what's going on? Good? Hey, imagine you travel from Ras Al Khaimah to Abu Dhabi and you're sitting on top in the summertime? 12 noon! You lose it out of the way. Alright, so we'd like to welcome once again Ultimate J here on stage. All the members